With gratitude and love, we, the Pleiadians, come forth to greet you. We bring with us our energy, wisdom, and activating energy to support your remembrance of yourself, truth, and the Creator. We wish to connect with you from a space of remembrance of the Creator. In doing so, our connection is instantly powerful, deep, and meaningful. We invite you to receive our energy, breathing it into every cell of your being. Allow yourself to journey inwards to the space of remembrance and knowingness within you that is always present and active. It is in this sacred space of your truth we will meet you. When connecting from a space of knowingness, you allow yourself to communicate from the freedom and expansion of the Creator and receive the same in return. For us, the Pleiadians, this is the most empowering way to connect and communicate. We encourage you to practice this with us and in your daily reality with loved ones and strangers. Once you become accustomed to directing your focus inward to the space of knowingness and remembrance within you, resting there and expressing yourself from that space, the experience will become natural and easy. It is after all your natural existence and way of being. When you connect and communicate with others and even yourself from a space of your inner knowingness and remembrance, you are to express yourself without limitations, worries, or fears. It doesn't mean that you become a foundation of knowledge and have to share wisdom constantly with others, telling them what to do in order to be like you. Instead, it is creating a space within you and within your relationships that allows the truth of the Creator to be present. Some wisdom may form within your mind and you may discover yourself expressing the wisdom to others. This will be with a sense of you yourself being inspired and stimulated rather than trying to inspire and stimulate the other. We wish to encourage connection with your inner knowingness and remembrance as a way of life and a way of experiencing life itself. A focus is simply all that is required. Whether you can recognize your inner space of remembrance and knowingness or not, your focus will open you to experience your intention. As you begin by entering into your space of remembrance and knowingness with us, allow yourself to recognize the sensations, shifts, and awakenings that occur. This will enable you to recognize when you are communicating and expressing from your inner space and when you are not. When you focus on expressing from your inner space of knowingness and remembrance, you are fully activating your soul's energies and presence. Greater aspects of your soul download into your physical being and awareness, while the presence of your soul becomes more powerfully visible to you and others, radiating through you. You are always connected to your soul and always embody your soul. However, you have the opportunity to welcome more fully your soul into your existence and reality. Thus, linking your mind, emotions, actions, and even reactions with your soul, life then becomes a process of exploration and getting to know your soul on the most intimate level. Such an experience allows you to let go of unneeded aspects of the ego, the habits of the mind, and the limitations you put upon yourself. While this process sounds like a complete transformation within your being, you will feel a shift and a deeper resonance to your being, as well as continuing to view yourself as completely yourself, as you know yourself to be in your physical reality. When your soul begins to fully activate and become fully engaged within your being, a beautiful awakening takes place from the core of your soul, which is often beyond your comprehension and goes unrecognized. We, the Pleiadians, wish to support you in recognizing this opening as it is occurring for you even now. Your soul's unique encoding is activating, flowing into your being and imprinting into your physical being and reality. Your soul holds a unique code of energy, light, and consciousness which you could say is akin to the DNA of your soul. These unique codes hold the true presence, energy, and vibration of your soul, as well as the depths of wisdom, knowledge, and truth your soul embodies. Within these unique codes are the intentions of your soul for its existence, whether incarnate upon the earth, working on the inner planes, existing within a star civilization, or something else. The intention spans beyond your current existence of how you know yourself to be. You could describe it as your soul's intention for the universe of the Creator, or for unification and oneness with the Creator. The intention may be so deep and profound that it may not be understood or grasped by your mind. This doesn't mean that the codes cannot have a powerful and positively impactful influence upon your being and ascension now. Accepting, aligning with and receiving your soul's unique codes as an energy wave anchoring into your being can act as a powerful accelerator of your ascension and a shift to allow greater healing to be received and accepted. Experiencing the Creator is not about understanding or comprehending. It is simply about acceptance and being present while holding intentions and listening to your intuition to guide you to unfold your greater knowingness. Your soul's unique codes cannot be grasped by your conscious mind and yet can be experienced by your energy field and physical body. For each of you, the codes will be unique and will have a different impact upon your being. You will receive that which you require in that moment to support you. This means that whenever you connect with and experience the energy wave of your soul's unique codes, you will receive diverse energies or experience something different. Therefore, you can connect with your soul's unique codes at any time to support you in receiving what you need and require to unfold your truth and unification with the Creator. This practice can be used constantly to support your existence upon the earth. When coupled with existing from the space of knowingness and remembrance within you, your soul's unique codes become a powerful nourishment and guiding light for your fulfillment and happiness on the earth. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, connecting into your own energy and our presence with you. Imagine, sense, acknowledge a powerful wave of energy and light extending from the core of your soul into and through your entire being. This wave of energy is the presence of your soul delivering your soul's unique codes into your entire being. Simply allow yourself to receive for as long as is essential. With love and truth, we are the Pleiadians.